I will go for that toy. That's good of you, Isabel. Push it closer to Jasmine. She thinks he's crawling.
You tried to help her out? You tried to help her out? Yes.
It doesn't take long before she sits up, huh?
I know, she's ready. She's just got to figure it out. She thinks she's just trying to use her stomach muscles now. She doesn't know how to push up. No, you don't.
It's amazing she's not crying yet.
She will soon.
I gotta get it. She likes your toy too, huh? Yeah. What'd you do? How'd you get all the way over there?